Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, and guess what? Another rejection from the 10-day moving average resistance of 98.27. That makes 4 days in a row. Unable to get above the middle Bollinger Band last 2 days as well. That's adding to the resistance at 97.98. Very key support test coming, 96.63. If we break it, it's a lower high and a lower low on this pullback, and we will see a bearish MACD cross. After that level, we're looking at former resistance, 95.32 to act as support, and if that breaks, we're looking down at 93.01. So the bears are close to taking over. We saw a dump at the end of the day in the market. If the market continues bearish, we're going to see the support break on Apple, and we're going to see some further pullback. So that is what we are watching here. It was an equilibrium pattern, and it still is with a lower high, higher low. If that lower low breaks, then we are looking for further downside. Weekly chart, 10-week resistance, rejecting the price. So that right there shows you the weakness. Anytime a short-term time frame is rejecting the price, that is weakness. We're seeing the 10-day and the 10-week, two very short-term moving averages, really give the bulls some trouble here. 4 weeks in a row rejecting from the 10-week moving average resistance. 98.01 is that level. And on the weekly chart, you can see that 95.32 former resistance going to act as support. If that were to break, then we're looking down on the weekly chart at 91.65. So lower highs still in effect here on Apple. And I don't think we're done testing this 200-week moving average support here in 2016. And we'll see if that were to break, it would be the first time in 8+ years. So that would be extremely significant. But as of right now, one step at a time, 96.63 must hold. If it breaks, potential bearish entry, if not already in as a bear, once we rejected from this 100-day moving average resistance, unable to get over it and set a higher high above 173. So that's what we're looking at for Apple. I appreciate you watching, and we will check back in as always.